day. In this question, we will be answering whether the given reading of a 40-year-old patient is in a stable and unstable state. So it is stable if it is within the normal range, and if it is not, therefore it is unstable. So first we will be converting it to the given normal range units. So for calcium, given is reading is 9.06 times 10 to the negative 8 kilogram per ml, converting it to milligram per dl times 1 times 10 to the 6 milligram is 1 kilogram times 1 ml is 0.01 dl. This will give us 9.06 milligram per dl. So it is within range.